Weeds growing on your driveway or sidewalk? Here's a quick and natural spray recipe. The plants will disappear without the need for scraping or pulling out roots. No more hours spent on your knees yanking them out. You only need 3 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a small spray bottle, pour in about 10 fluid ounces of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. It doesn't kill the weeds but plays an important role. It reduces the surface tension of the water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt dehydrates and disrupts the water balance in the weed cells. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour in about 2 fluid ounces. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is harsh on plants and helps kill them quickly. Mix it all up and you're ready. Spray the weeds growing between your pavers. It's best to do this on a hot or sunny day, as the sun speeds up absorption into the soil and plants. Repeat every few days. The weeds will slowly dry out and die. No more pulling by hand, just spray and let the mix do the work.
Pour this liquid on the paving stone. The oil stains will disappear. This trick costs pennies, and the driveway will look like new. You can remove ugly oil stains caused by dripping from parked cars yourself. You don't need a pressure washer or chemical cleaners for this. It turns out you already have the necessary liquid in your kitchen. Just pour it on the paving stone. To clean, you will need dishwashing liquid and a brush with stiff bristles. Pour the dishwashing liquid generously on the stains. Then, scrub with a wet brush using circular motions. Dishwashing liquid works great on greasy stains. It is inexpensive and readily available. Add some water and scrub thoroughly. After a few minutes, the stain will start to disappear. Finally, rinse with water generously and you're done. For old stains that have been on the paving stone for more than a few days, baking soda works better. It is one of the most effective tricks for removing this type of dirt. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on the stains and add water. The baking soda will start to foam, creating a cleaning substance. Then, scrub the stone with a brush. Pour plenty of water over the area and let it dry. The stains will vanish from the driveway and the paving stone will look like new.
Just a drop, and weeds will instantly dry out, killing the entire plant down to the roots. It's the fastest and most effective weed killer I know. When weeds appear on the driveway or garage, you'll want to get rid of them quickly. This spray is perfect for that. Simply spray it on the weeds and you're done. It's non-toxic, inexpensive, and eliminates the need to manually pull weeds. The spray will eradicate the entire plant, roots and all. To make the spray, mix about 500 milliliters of water with 1 tablespoon of salt until dissolved. Then add 200 milliliters of vinegar and mix again. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Shake well before use. For best results, apply on a sunny day to maximize the drying effect on the weeds. You'll see them dry out quickly. Once they're dry, removing them is a breeze. This simple yet highly effective vinegar and salt spray will safely handle your weed problem. This gets rid of weeds for good, especially the ones growing between paving stones and in sidewalk cracks. Take a spray bottle and unscrew the cap. Pour in 1 liter of regular vinegar. Screw the top back on and pump the sprayer. Spray directly onto the weeds, covering them thoroughly. Leave it for at least an hour, preferably in full sun. The weeds will be gone without a trace. They'll dry up and won't come back. Just a tablespoon of this, and the weeds will dry up like they've been treated with the strongest herbicide. It destroys the entire plant, even down to the roots. When you spot them on the pavement in front of your house, you'll definitely want to get rid of them as quickly as possible. This method contains no harmful ingredients and is very affordable. In a large container, pour 10 ounces of water. The next ingredient is vinegar, which blocks the growth of the weeds. Add 10 ounces of vinegar to the container. Now it's time for the red powder. It irritates the leaves and burns the plants from the inside. Add 1 teaspoon of hot red pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of table salt. The salt enters the plant cells and draws out the water, causing them to wilt. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This will help the mixture stick to the leaves more effectively. Mix everything thoroughly and vigorously. Strain the mixture through cheesecloth to remove small particles and get a clear liquid. Spray the weeds directly on the leaves and at the base. Within just a few hours, the plants will start wilting. They'll disappear without a trace. You won't need any store-bought chemicals anymore. This is an affordable method that really works. This is all you need for healthy tomatoes. It replaces a million other fertilizers. It's a versatile product with a use in gardening, especially for growing tomatoes. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to a bowl. Baking soda disinfects, reduces soil acidity, and prevents fungal growth. Now add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. The oil creates a light protective layer on the leaves, making it harder for insects to reach the plant. Next, add 1 tablespoon of any liquid soap. The soap helps the mixture stick better to leaf surfaces. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Pour 5 liters, about 1 1/3 gallons of water into a garden sprayer. Add the prepared mixture. Close and shake well. Now spray the tomato leaves, both on top and underneath. This natural solution effectively repels insects and pests. It protects against powdery mildew and fungi. Apply once a week, and your tomatoes will be healthier, stronger, and more resistant. No chemicals and no unnecessary expenses. This burns weeds down to the roots. It's the most effective method for weeds I've ever found. It contains no harmful ingredients and is cheap. When weeds show up in the cracks of your driveway or around the garage, you'll want to get rid of them fast. To do this, grab some lemons. Cut them in half. You'll need enough to get about 7 ounces of lemon juice. Citric acid destroys the structure of plant cells and effectively burns weeds all the way down to the roots. Pour the freshly squeezed juice into a tall container. Now add about 8 ounces of filtered water. This helps spread the solution more evenly and slightly dilutes its strength. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt penetrates deep into the soil and disrupts the water balance of weeds, causing them to dry out completely. Then add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. Soap works as an emulsifier, helping the mix stick better to the leaves. Next ingredient, cinnamon. It has antifungal properties and also weakens plant growth at the root. Stir the mixture vigorously until everything is well combined. Pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it directly onto the weeds growing between paving stones. You'll get the best results on a hot or sunny day. Very soon, you'll notice the weeds begin to wilt and dry out. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Just one use and weeds disappear for good. Weeds growing between paving stones or in the garden can be a real nightmare and often come back despite all efforts. But no weed can survive this home method. You won't spend hours on your knees pulling them out anymore. To make the spray, you only need 3 ingredients you surely already have at home. Pour about 2 cups of warm water into a tall container. Then take vinegar and measure out about 1 cup. Vinegar is effective against weeds because it contains acetic acid, which strongly damages plants. Pour it into the container. Now take salt and add 1 tablespoon. It dehydrates and disrupts the water balance in weed cells. Mix everything well. Prepare a spray bottle to make application easier and pour the liquid inside. Spray the weeds growing between paving stones. Do it on a hot, sunny day so the mixture absorbs faster into the soil and plants. Repeat every few days. Wait until the weeds die and dry out. Forget about pulling them out by hand. Let the spray do the work for you.